Peace and blessings, family. This is Master B here from the Trading Lounge and the fellow traders throughout the world watching this video. As like I have in the title, you want to trade your chart and not the money. It's very important that if you take the focus off of the money, you're going to be really surprised of how much more your account will grow if you focus on the price action of the chart and then look at the end of the day to see how much money you actually made, right? Because the only, I continuously say, the only thing that you really have at your under your control is where you're placing that stop loss to manage your risk. So I'm just going to show from Friday exactly what happened and how I entered the trade on Friday. This blue shaded area in the background, that represents my 9:45 to 12 noon to start looking for an opportunity to take a trade. Okay, so we had an impulse at the open of the US session. This is the ES market. She pulled back, right? And when she pulled back exactly to the 41.50, 0.50 quarter point. Okay, so 5 minutes later, the previous bar formed a doji. Now in the lounge, what we like to do is to bridge spinning tops, dojis, and hammers, because we've seen over the course of the years that the candle that breaks the high or the low of that spinning top, doji, or hammer is usually the direction that the market is getting ready to move. Okay, so when she flipped, when the next 5 minute bar flipped and started going green, you can enter the trade here, put your stop loss, because this candle created a wick. You put your stop loss on the bottom, okay? And your first stop on the bus, since you have midway in the way, is this midway point, and you want to let your runner run back up to the next quarter point, where she stopped dead on 0.75. 0.75. Quarter point to quarter point, first stop on the bus is the halfway point in between the quarter points, which we call midway in the lounge. All right, so this is just a quick video to show you that our process of what we look for in terms of a trade pretty much happens every single day. Just a matter of having patience and wait for it. And then once your pattern sets up, allow it to go to the next quarter point or midway, comparing to where it's at, right? So yeah, this is a outstanding process, guys. Practice it. Practice makes perfect. Okay, quick video. Fridays recap. Topic: trade your chart and not the money. This is Master B from the Trading Lounge. I'm out.